Okay, here we go. Here's the video tour of the Atomic Kitty, the Scotty Camper. Take you around back. You got the windows all resealed, all the cranks fixed, stainless steel screws reinstalled, new butyl caulking, new tail lights including the buckets, hardware, wiring, everything that goes with them. New license plate holder with a new LED light. This is the business side here. It's the air conditioner. It slides in and out. It slides in for traveling and that hatch shuts. And it's got a new power cord end and a new access for the power cord. And take you around here to the side. Again, everything's been replaced with the stainless steel screws. Windows removed, cleaned, all the cranks repaired, and they operate with ease. Here's the front. New propane, of course, new propane regulator, new propane stainless steel line going from the LP tank all the way to the stove. The jack on the front's been all serviced, the tongue, the nice little, this is how this opens, nice little awning. I'm not going to set it up, but it functions real. I'll put one end up. There's one end. Both there, it's do it with one hand, like I just did. Brand new doorknob with keys and locks. Brand new vent on the side. Original Scotty hubcaps. Now what you've been waiting for. The inside. Come on in. Here she is. Take it slow for you. New faucet. Stove's completely been reconditioned. Cabinets. Hardware's all been redone. Microwave oven. Let me turn that light off for a minute so you can see the light. Nice new light. Kitchen cabinets. Cabinets above. Real nice, clean inside. Drapes. There's our dinette, if you can see that. I'll get another view of it for you. There's the lounge, couch, whatever you want to call it, gaucho, I think they call that, and drapes. I had to put air conditioning in it, you know, just had to, because it makes it nice. There's the countertop, stove, cabinets. See if we can get you another view from over here. There's the dinette. There's the cabinets above the dinette. New table leg. And of course, a new floor. Which I'm not really crazy about this tile, but it is what it is. This is a refrigerator that works beautiful. It's super clean inside. Again, all the windows crank easily. No muss, no fuss. I have even extra cranks inside here. I have keys, all been keyed alike for the hatches outside. So I've got like 4 keys for that, but 1 key will open up any of them. Ceiling is beautiful. It's the ceiling. All done the way that it was from the factory. Same materials. Again, you can see we've had rain for non-stop for 3 weeks. and this thing is bone dry. The roof has all been sealed properly, using the latest, greatest materials and techniques. It looks good. Again, there's not a drop, soft spot, nothing. This floor in this camper is solid. No soft spots. Again, no soft spots around the perimeter of the where the walls meet the roof. It's all beautiful. That where the air conditioner is, that wall has been reinforced just to hold the air conditioner. The only reason, because you know they're just made out of plywood on these walls. So I added an extra piece in there, and you can't really even tell. So, but it's there for that reason and that reason only. So, plenty of storage underneath the dinette. I put a new 4-banger breaker box in, and it's got 4 circuits. I put outlets down there. There's an outlet right here behind me. The light switch operates as soon as you walk in the door, and a nice under cabinet light. The microwave's on its own circuit, and so is the air conditioner. So there's a nice little cubby under the air conditioner. I figured why waste that space. Okay, vent, that's the original vent. It works perfect. Have a great day. Bye.